Hello, it's Amy here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to try this fry bread recipe. I'll give you guys a few minutes to screenshot the recipe. So I don't know if you can read my writing, but the recipe calls for 4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1.5 cup of warm water, 1 cup of shortening, extra flour for hands. So in a bowl you're going to combine the flour, baking powder, salt, and powdered milk. So after you mix all the dry ingredients, you're going to add in your warm water, which is the 1.5 cup of warm water. Cover hands in flour because you are going to mix it with your hands to get more of like a sticky dough. Not like sticky, but you're going to mix it all together. So you're going to knead dough until soft, but not sticky. Cover with cloth and let stand for 15 minutes. So after that, you're going to shape dough 2 inches, patting and stretching the dough out, ready to fry. And then you're going to get the milk shortening 1 inch deep in a pot. So I didn't have enough shortening to fry, so what I did is I used the remainder shortening that I had and some extra olive oil that I had left over. Sorry, I do have my oven fan on just so it doesn't get too smoky. Set them over here on the plate, ready to fry. On to the next one. I'm going to make mine just a little more bigger. Hopefully this turns out, because it's my very first time making fry bread, and just thought I'd share with you all. So, and how I test my, how to see if my oil is ready, I'm going to take a small little piece of dough, drop it in there. It doesn't look like it's too warm yet. Actually, it might be ready. The little thing is boiling, bubbling. So we got a dough all stretched out, ready for the oil. See, I like mine a little bigger because sometimes you can make Navajo tacos, or you know, you just want more. Stretch out just a little bit more. Sometimes people eat it with honey too, or like cinnamon sugar. I believe they do make elephant ears almost the same, maybe a little different. You add whatever toppings or make like a taco, Navajo taco. So here's the little testing. Oh yeah, see, that's not too hot. Now look, we have room for 2. But let's give it a try with this one. Just slowly. You can see I did add a little bit of olive oil, how it's kind of like yellow greenish. Okay, cool. So you're just going to let it fry until it's like golden brown on one side, and then you flip it. Careful, Grace, the Grace gets splash. Have my little helper here, Jace. See how it's starting to come up on one side? Sometimes I think you can poke a hole on one side of the dough, just so it doesn't become like a big bubble, you know what I mean? Okay, I'll just show you the first batch and that'll be the end of the video. Oh, and I do have my pan here with paper towel so we can soak in the grease. The paper towel here at the bottom will soak the grease left over on the fry bread. I'm gonna have to turn my fan back on, folks, just because I don't want to get too smoky in my place. And also, while you're waiting, you can just roll out the dough and have them ready on the plate, but I'm just gonna do the first batch for you guys really fast. Go ahead and check. They're still not ready. They're still light, so you're going to want to flip them when they're golden brown. I will show you the finished product here in a second. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out with the olive oil. Like I said, I didn't have enough Crisco, so I had to mix with whatever Crisco I had left and a little bit of olive oil. Not sure if there will be a difference. But let's go ahead and give the fry bread a flip here. That one's not as golden brown.
That's like good.
That said, I'm going to let it cook just a little bit longer. But this is how fry bread will usually turn out, just a little bit more golden brown. You would let it cook a little longer and just set it in here, let it cool, and add whatever toppings that you like. And I hope you like this video. I'm trying to teach my boy on how to make fry bread, so stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.